It's no secret that BDS and Zone are sister companies and that they both make some pretty stout lift kits. I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, and today we're going to break down some of the pros and cons of each of the brands. Now, if you don't already know, we offer a ton of different lift kits on our website, and BDS is one of the more popular, I guess you could say, like high-end kits. They're out there for the folks that they want a quality ride on the road, or they're looking for some good off-road performance too. Just kind of a higher-end kit for a truck that demands a bit more. Now, their stuff comes with an awesome warranty and plenty of Fox upgrade options as well. Then you have Zone on the opposite end of the spectrum, which is the more wallet-friendly brand, but they're still under the same Fox shocks umbrella that owns BDS also. One thing that we actually do differently than anybody else out there is that we offer the Fox 2.0 performance shocks as an upgrade with the Zone kits that you typically would only see the basic Zone Nitro shocks. Zone offered a Fox Adventure Series shock for a while too. Actually, I think they still do, but there were production issues and basically they're always back ordered, and it's a steel body, so that's why we offered that Fox 2.0 performance upgrade with the Zone kits. So if the Zone kits cost less, what are you actually getting for your money? That's what everybody wants to know. And as far as visually, the first thing that you're gonna notice on the Zone kits is that the cross members are just straight across rather than the arch like the BDS kits. So Zone uses a pretty basic square tube style cross member that gets the job done just as well, and it's just as strong as the fancy styled one that you'll get from BDS. It just doesn't look quite as cool. Another huge difference is that a lot of things on the BDS kits are standard, whereas on Zone kits, you'll find them as an option. So a good example of this is the skid plates. Now, on many BDS kits, it'll come with a skid plate, and on the Zone one, you'd have to select that in the drop-down menu on our website. So it's all the extra thrills and frills that increase those prices on BDS and keep the Zone kits a little bit more affordable. So Zone typically reuses control arms or radius arms on their straight axle lifts, whereas BDS provides new ones. And then on torsion bar trucks, most BDS kits are a non-torsion drop system, meaning it doesn't actually drop your torsion bar system, and Zone does drop your torsion bar system. So of course, this all depends on what specific kit you're getting and what specific vehicle you're putting it on, but for the most part, that's the case. In general, when it comes to the manufacturing process, BDS and Zone are using the same materials and the same processes, so the structural integrity of these kits are nearly identical. Now, the warranties, however, do differ a bit. So with BDS, and the extra money that you pay, you get a no questions asked lifetime warranty that covers you in a crash or if you're off-roading or just about any abuse you can throw at it. Now, that's not to say Zone doesn't offer warranty. Zone still offers you that lifetime warranty that covers their lifts and protects you from any manufacturing defect or craftsmanship issues when they're actually putting those kits together. Hopefully that'll help you make a decision if you're kind of stuck between those two. Otherwise, we've got all the specs listed out on the kits on our website, so you can compare them and get to the nitty-gritty of each kit. And we'll toss the links below in the description to all the different BDS and Zone kits we offer if you want to check those out and get all the facts on those. Peace.